Welcome to the Falcon 1200 watt power station. This power station has stored lithium battery power, a 50 amp hour battery built inside. It's also got a 1200 watt pure sine wave inverter, which is perfect for travel appliances. Stored energy, and how we put the energy back in once we've drawn the power from the battery is we can charge it at home before we set off to go camping. That comes complete with the AC charger cable and a 3-pin plug. Alternatively, we can charge it whilst we're driving to our destination. This is a 12 volt input and output, but to charge it we plug this in and we can plug it into a 12 volt charger in our car or in our camper van, so when we arrive it's charged. Alternatively, we can also charge it with a solar panel, like so. This cable here plugs in and now go to onto our solar panel. So when we're camping, we can then put back in the energy that we've taken out. This port over here is another charging point where we can add an external battery, so we can increase the stored capacity from 50 amps to 100 amps with another 50 amp hour battery externally in line. So that's how we charge it. This is how we use it. So to use it, we've got the options of 12 volt, we've got 5 volt USB power, or we've got 240 volt. This is electricity. Those appliances that we enjoy at home, that when we're in the rural areas and there's no electricity, we might wish to enjoy. So these 3-pin sockets over here, these can give out a combination of up to 1200 watt. The inverter itself can take a peak surge up to 2400, but is designed to run without problems up to 1200 watt. So this is perfect for a travel hairdryer at 1000 watt, or a kettle 700 watt, 800 watt, 1000 watt, or a toaster 800 watt, 900 watt, or even a microwave 850 watt. So now we've got 2 plugs. So we can't run a kettle at 1000 and a toaster at 1000, because that would be then 2000 watts. So as long as you're only using a maximum up to 1200 watt, this will work perfectly. Over here we've got a 12 volt socket, and this 12 volt socket now will give 12 volt power to appliances. Typical appliances is a cool box or an external fridge. Over here we've got DC sockets. These are 12 volt sockets as well. Some people use these sockets for external lighting around the tent or outside the camper van. Over here we've got a bank of USBs. We've got C-type and we've got standard USB sockets. So all in all, stored power, delivering, charging capabilities for devices, tablets, smartphones, giving you appliances to help you have a cup of tea, make some toast, or alternatively, you've got keeping the milk nice and cold. Also built in is, on the top, is a wireless charger. So you can charge wirelessly or directly, USB or wireless charger. Also built into the power station is a light which you can change the lighting levels, and it does go SOS as well. So for all your information, check out our website, falcontechnology.co.uk, or give us a call on 0800 622 474. Thanks for watching.